Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to configure the settings to automatically mark leave for employees who work less than the minimum required hours. To begin, go to the Payroll Entry menu and open the Attendance Register, month-wise. First, search for the employee and verify that their attendance is not already marked. Next, click on Configuration, where you will find an option named Mark Work for Less Than Minimum Hours for. From the drop-down menu, select Leave Without Pay. This setting ensures that if any employee works less than the defined minimum working hours, their attendance will automatically be marked as leave without pay. The minimum working hours are defined in the employee setup, and the system will fetch the value from there. After saving the settings, proceed to import the attendance data. To do this, open the Import Attendance Data from External Source window. Select the appropriate import configuration and enable the option Show Employees in File Only. Define the attendance month-date range. Select the branch from the drop-down. Then, click on Start Import. The attendance details will then be fetched from the external file and displayed on the screen. Here, you can see that along with the shift in and out timings, the total working hours are also displayed. On the 30th, this employee has worked only 3 hours, which is less than the minimum defined working hours. Now, let's save the attendance. After saving, go back to the attendance register, month-wise, and click on the refresh button. As you can see, the attendance details have now been refreshed and are displayed correctly. When we check the 30th again, you can see that the employee has been marked as absent with leave without pay, as per the defined configuration.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.